Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Edo in focus. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwuno Odin. They talk about Edo state politics. Make I leave you now. Make you hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze. Enjoy the video.
Yes. I decided to play this music this great afternoon so as to trickle our memory back to history. It is on this note that I want to say a great good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching it from. I remain my humble self, yours, noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwuno, the Coordinator General Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO Stanley Sadi Enterprise. In fact, by the power of our ubiquitous God Almighty, the CEO Fuman, Edo State. Yes, today happened to be a beautiful Sunday, and we are very, very glad to see ourselves today being weekend. Ordinarily, it's not a work day, it's not even a day for a video, but I think it is proper and it is expedient for us to come out to air our opinion in respect to what is happening in Edo State. Please, for those who are requesting to join, I'm sending the link to this video so that you can join. Excuse me. Give me some minutes. Yes. Edo in focus. As I've earlier said, this video became so important because of what is actually happening in the state. You know, sometimes people will say, why are you not saying something? Why are you not saying something? But you may not understand. We are all humans. One, they eat something for our belly. Now let's go back to history. Why did I play that music? The originator of that music is the one sitting here, Osakwuno. How did it happen? Before the elections, it was also true that I, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwuno, was on the fence, looking at the political activities in respect to, excuse me, studying the political activities, looking at the goals and objectives of individual groups, trying to fine-tune the intent of those running in the elections. And by the power of God Almighty, we made a decision. And we all collectively supported His Excellency, Governor Godwin Obaseki Obaseki. Why did I not support him from the initial stage before the 2020 elections? For those of you who have been following me, in 2016, I was in set, all because of the 2016 election. Till now, as I'm talking to you, I still have the eye pain with me. I was beaten up to stupor, taken to cell, because we vehemently resisted a group of persons who wanted to manipulate the elections in our world. And our world happens to be the collation center for Ubaoka local government area of Edo State. So if you capture that particular territory, you have captured Ubaoka politics in general when we're on ground. But luckily for Osakwuno, I didn't lose my life. So because of that, I said, no, I cannot continue like this. But be that as it may, with the intervention of great men and women of inestimable value, we decided to say, okay, let's go again. Based on the fact that, in respect to the workings of the government as at then, it was quite impressive. And that was why I openly told the entire world that I was fighting for stomach infrastructure because to me, I deserved to be taken care of. Owing to the fact that much were put into the election program. Now, in the 2020 gubernatorial elections in Edo State before then, you agree to the fact that the COVID-19 pandemic was a big problem. And as at then, this political upheaval, political movement, political jamboree has already started. Why Osakwodopodi came out publicly to say, now I have adopted and I have agreed to support His Excellency. The first person who jumped on the video was Abato Base. He was saying, yeah, Osakwodopodi, because he believes that if Osakwodopodi should join him up, there's going to be a great synergy. So immediately, I decided, okay, I am part and parcel of the process. Now, I believe it's something when fighting, no going back. We don't just join into battle, but when we engage ourselves in battle, we must find it. We must get to the climatic end of that particular battle. Then what actually happened? All of those around the world, we started mobilizing them. We showcased what was actually happening on ground. It was no longer earmark, it was IMAC, based on what you see and what you can identify on ground. Then, later on, I already knew that Oshiomhole being the national chairman of the All Progressive Congress, it will be very, very difficult for us to secure the APC ticket. And because of the fact that Oshiomhole was not patient enough, he was not able to achieve his personal aim. And to some of us, we see it as if it is an embarrassment for one person to decide for everybody. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. We decided to say no. So all the people around the world were very, very curious to ensure that Obaseki returns as a governor. Immediately, before a week to the disqualification of His Excellency Governor Obaseki in the APC, I have already made a series of videos stating, and I quote, that if someone is traveling to the United States of America, he or she can use Arik Air, he or she can use Turkish Airways, the British Airways. For as long as you find yourself in America, nobody cares about the transportation mechanism that conveys you to that particular environment. And I made a statement again, and I said, as far as we are concerned, when you want to enter into somebody's parlor, you are going into a parlor, and somebody shuts the door. Other people can take through other openings, like the window, the parlor window, or even the kitchen window. For as long as you find yourself in the parlor, that should be the focus and the focal point of your action. Why was I saying all this? I already know from the initial state that there is no way we can secure the APC ticket for the government. And because of the fact that we have concluded that no going back, so it is a fight to finish, and there was no need to take any political prisoner rather than annihilating the whole of them politically. And that is why we decided to take effects down. So that very day, which happens to be the final day for the APC activities, I did not bother to watch on television because I already know the outcome. I was watching through Vanguard Facebook Live. Please share this video. Vanguard Facebook Live. And I said, what is going on here? I never knew what prompted me at that particular time. The anger in me increased. I was seeing a direct oppression. I said, no, it can't happen. No way. Then I just saw it because I was not having the mind to look at the direct announcement. I switched off myself off from the Vanguard live video and went to the beach to take my bath. As I was coming, people were shouting, in fact, the morale of those around the world went down. Because virtually, those in the diaspora, some segments may not have been participating in politics. They took that action because of the fact that they wanted the best for Edo, and as a day, every male and female was concerned about the elections. Immediately I came out. I said, no, I know this was a political masterstroke. It has been thrown to weaken the morale of everybody. You cannot weaken yourself. Wherever you are and I wake up, this is just the first segment of the battle. A new battle line has been drawn. Oga, carry your ticket, go. That was how this song came into me. I never planned this song. I never planned it. I don't even know it in my brain, but it was just coming out. Oga, carry your ticket, go. Anywhere Obaseki then we go. Anywhere Shaibu then want to follow. Oga, hold your ticket. We stand. That was how I sang the Oga carry ticket go, which later became the official campaign song of His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki. And before then, immediately after the song, all the those around the world started reaching out to me. What are we going to do? I said, no problem with it. There's something we must do. That was how we formed the Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide. Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide. In fact, I can boastfully say that it was Edos in the diaspora that placed Obaseki into power. When we were working as Grand Force, those who are carrying big stomach moving here and there, they were nowhere to be found. Some of them were pure elements of betrayal. But all of those around the world join hands together under the aegis of Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide to reach out. And first, what we did do, we organized the first ever flag off campaign for the governor. The governor was still in Abuja because I had already said he's not going to appeal the judgment of the APC. He was still in Abuja, has not returned to Edo. We have started boiling everywhere. Official campaign has not been flagged off by INEC. With Diaspora Connect already organized a rally, a massive. In fact, if I have to make a research, I'll play those videos. They are already available. Diaspora Connect organized a massive rally in support of His Excellency across Edo State. We did. Immediately, that was when Diaspora Connect bought the Sienna that you are seeing with me tomorrow. Sienna Bank. We printed books, banner. What did we not engage ourselves into? We fought. We did all we could. We moved from one location to another in that rally. Immediately after the rally, we noticed that the momentum of the opposition was still very strong and active. How are we going to now break this opposition? We came out under the aegis of Diaspora Connect again. We organized a world press conference. A world press conference. We sent a direct message to the presidency that Edo is solidly with His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki. We all stood firmly. With that global world press conference, check, it is everywhere. We noticed that while the opposition continues, they already knew that they no longer have the strong physical presence in Edo. They now decided to beacon their hope on the federal government, with the hope that the federal government, under the leadership of President Muhammadu Buhari, will bring the election in their favor. Then what then happened? We came out again. Diaspora Connect organized the first ever political red card issues to disgruntled politicians as a day. We did all this. What about the street? We talked about 192 wards. We campaigned from the beginning of Ward 1 to the 192 wards across the 3 senatorial districts of Edo State. Osahweno, as we speak, never slept in his house for a long period of time. I cannot take credit, but it was a collective result because during this period, the synergy was coming directly from our brothers and sisters around the world. I never took glory to myself that when I'm doing campaign or going to the market to go and propagate the Obaseki's manifesto and the need for the people to vote for Obaseki, I never said I am doing it. I said no. Our brothers and sisters around the world mandated me to carry out this exercise. So thank God, the resultant of all our actions became positive and the governor emerged peacefully. Now, during the litigation, all in all, we put all our effort to make sure that at the end of the day, we sustain what we fought for. People begin to wonder, why is it that these persons are not coming out easy to speak? I have to, for those who have been following me, I made a post of few, not of the week, I deleted the post. Excuse me, please. Hello? I'm on live. Let me just through the live. So I'll get back to you, sir. So, At the end of the day, people begin to wonder why this man not saying anything. I won't deceive. For those who have been following me, I made a post. I said, may God give me the opportunity to be relevant in the next government. Some of you did not understand. It's not as if I'm looking for anything, a direct benefit. I have said this before and I'm repeating it again. Since after the elections, I've only found myself in government house twice. And these 3 times I was invited. I know the person is a bit fifi. No, I know the do one. And I know how to also. This is the reason why I continue to thank our brothers and sisters around the world for giving me the opportunity to be engaged. If not, by now, Usamono Boni may have become a Babiala. Excuse me. Babiala that will be begging for money street to street. But God not let us down. We continue to remain fair. For those who have been following up trend, you know all what transpired in the elections. Where would not be? Where? If not because of the fact that the woman we married to at home naturally loves us, that election is enough for us to break our home. It is enough for us to break our home. How can a woman have a husband? The woman will not see the husband for many months. How can I prove to the woman that I'm not cheating anywhere I go to? How can I prove? But because of the love and affection, she kept calm and gave her husband, and this team, the overwhelming support, and we emerge. Now, why am I saying all this? Are we not really qualified to be in any position in Edo State? I know I've not come to say hello, but after the elections, Ogakari ticket going home, at least we deserve commendation. Hello, Usagunobodi. It is also true that you can't be on a travel. No, see, Opomese, or when I will be, we deserve commendation. But I did not see any of such. I remain focused with my personal business. Let's be sincere to ourselves. Loyalty is important, but we all reserve the right to be respected. We all reserve the right to be respected. I know His Excellency Governor of Basaki is doing his best in respect to his job, but the Excellency is supposed to know that people around him made it actually possible. It is very important. I do not want to gamble into any other issues, but I begin to ask, what if is it a matter of qualification? If it is, or do I need to go and bring and flash up my certificate today on social media? I have done that in 2017. I am willing to do it again. I want to state clearly, if it comes to academics, how many of these persons who have godfathered here and there, I can identify them, that has the capacity more than us intellectually? How many? How many of these persons have more intellectual capacity more than us in a dose? Let's be factual. Now, book we don't know. By the power of God, some of us are all rounder. If you come from street, we day. If you come from academic, we day. If you come from anything you come from, we day. So for those who have been asking, hey, why are you not talking? Why are you not talking? Why are you not talking? I'm not talking because I think that I am being relegated to the background. And to me, it's totally unacceptable. If I was relevant in the course of the battle, I should not be coming to North first to say, "Oh God, not see me here." Before you know, that is why I must commend the chief of staff to Edo State government. I have my reasons. I must commend you. While they were doing distribution of Christmas gifts, God knows, true to God, I pick my phone to call anybody to say, Alpha, they share rice, they share, why they not give my own? I never did. I was shocked when my phone rang. Come and take your own. And I openly appreciated as at that particular time. The truth of the matter is, very battles was on ground. Yeah, we are you. We all knew what we did. And let me state this clearly. I will not also blame His Excellency God Self. I will still blame us. I will still blame us. Why will I blame us? In the game of politics, when real media generals confront themselves, it gives room for those who have no role to take an advantage of the situation to satisfy themselves. Those of us who were at the front line immediately after the elections, instead of organizing ourselves, we went into political infighting, fighting over what will not even get to you. That is the cause. Now let me say something. If Abat Obaze makes a statement against any politician on social media, the first phone that will ring is Osagbonogbo's phone, because they expect me to go and confront him. I know if I makes a statement on media against any politician, the first phone that will ring is his own, because they expect him to confront me. When we are confronting each other, we are giving them room to strive. Let's be sincere. How many of these people will follow Osagbonogbo confront? How many of these people go follow Osagbonogbo confront? So I will not blame anybody if we are being used and dumped. We are used and dumped because we lack the ability to coordinate ourselves, and we are busy fighting over what is not even in our disposal. If we are united, everybody who tell it clear. Then not go and say, "Hey, you throw say, I don't like this country." They don't come and say, "Okay, now what did this man talk?" Now all of us in fact we are stand by it too. They will change. Why would they change now when we are busy fighting? They can't change. This is the reason why Nigeria will continue to subjugate the youth into massive repression and oppression. Because when politicians steal 10 naira, it takes 1 shilling and give it to the youth in the area. The youth will come and stand to allegate on the politician. When other fellow youths are coming to say, want to come and ask our right, it is the same youth that will say, if you near my oga, I will finish you. Go back. So when there are confrontation within us, believe you me, there is nothing we can do about it. Please share this video if you have not shared. So I will not blame anybody. I will take responsibility and I will blame myself as well. But I already knew from the initial stage. It's just that there are unavoidable crises. That when somebody launches onslaught against you, somebody will say, "Don't say anything, don't worry. Don't say anything, we know what they have." No. Silent is consent. No, Iboto cannot be me. Silent is consent. You have agreed to all what that's transpired. So if somebody alleges you that you did so and so thing and that, you did this and that, you have a responsibility to come out to say, "Hello, I did not do such." Don't go beyond that, but you've been able to clarify that area that you are not a party to such allegation. So the truth of the matter is very simple. If it comes to issue, now I really need to know the qualification that is needed in managing these offices in Edo State. By the power of God Almighty, we are extremely qualified beyond reasonable doubt, both in experience and in qualification. Then what is not happening? Or is it because we don't have one man to say, "Iyabu," and even a call? No, you cannot expect Osagbonogbo to continue to rush out again after a battle. Everything that is everyone deserves should get to them and they are dusted. I am not saying that we should come and they should come and give us money or give me money or give me anything. No. But what I'm saying is, I have never hid this from the beginning. I tried to be very plain. I told the entire world that I will not deceive anybody. I needed an appointment from the Obaseki administration. I never had it. Say, if they give me, I will take. But I know wrong, go meet them, go to say that who. I know. If at the end of the election, after Oga carry ticket go, we boom everywhere. Not be even that one, I be the first ever one check. So media is everywhere. People are not claiming glory. We are not going to understand. For those way, they say, "We don't agree talk. We don't agree talk." I want to tell you the reason why I don't talk. One, I cannot come out now to begin to fight what we all created. But I have said it before now. I want to say it again. And if Edo people say we are tired I am joining the people to say we are tired. But believe you me, it's not as if I will not want to come out now to begin to say we want to fight what we all established. But the truth of the matter is simple. I refuse to talk because I have noticed that those who suffer in politics never benefit it. But those who were at the comfort of their rooms are those that benefit. That is why, thank God, I never made my campaign a personal campaign against anybody. If not, now from court to court I will go now. Now from court to court, now you're the drum go. I thank God I use my sense in that area and say, in as much as we are fighting, who is concerned in this election? One is Governor Baseki. 2, Pastor Sage is there. 3, Adam Sadi Oshomole. The rest, I don't get time for them. The rest want their own to win. Me say want my own to win. While the rest they attack Obaseki, we they attack Izeyamu and Oshomole. It is the game. I cannot go and see the likes of Tony Kabaka or the likes of DVD, Valentine Aswe, or other politicians. When not the contest election and say, you the man, you the grace, you don't know your mate, karate. No. You are campaigning your own. I go your campaign. We are Togwe, Mary Togwe. I go your campaign, yo. When I Togwe, Mary Togwe. Election for now, I give I pay. Oh, I go your campaign, yo. When I Togwe, Mary Togwe. Election for now, I give I pay. If not, by now, as we speak, many of us who are going to do these elections no fit enter bush. Say they want to go do survey for bush. How you want to enter? I can tell you today, apart from land grabbing activity, I have no political enemy. Apart from those who we confronted on the ground of land grabbing, and will not rest until those persons are made to pay the full lot of the law. And luckily, not created enmity for myself. What do you want to talk about this campaign? No, see, no man shall be a judge in his own case. I cannot be a judge in my own case. But for those who follow through, you all knew what happened. I cannot say na me do, but in your heart and mind, you all can score us based on our performance. Then you, I can't hear me. You cannot expect me now after all those battles. Now let me tell you, on a daily basis, we see attack here on social media on a daily basis. What's that? We're not agree talking. What's that? Now you did. If to say me not get patient, me and everybody for not a cause each other. So we just come and inbox. What did you? God will you do? God will is yours. God will do this one to you. God will. My brother, waiting. As we speak, you campaign, me campaign. Your own win, my own win, or me and your own win together. But when they campaign, you get within the tell us. We not get the ability to predict any human being. I don't have that ability, and I've said it before. I'm going to repeat it again. I, for one, I will not destroy my political future for anybody, not even the government. I won't. I reserve the right to be a governor in the future. It's my right. But on the ground that if we have good human relations skill, good political antecedent, and those people may decide to luckily give me the power, even if I may not be qualified, in respect to my individual characters, goals, and competencies. Because ordinarily we know that no man or woman is perfect. We all have hiccups in one way or the other. But the truth of the matter is simple. You cannot come to me now. I said it before now, I'm going to repeat it again. See, for those who are saying that, hey, excuse me. For those who are saying, the government is in the second term now. It doesn't need anybody again in the future. You don't understand politics. If you actually understand politics, you know that power transition is the most difficult part of elections, of any government. Now, whether we like it or not, the governor must be interested on who take over from him. So you, when it's now 3 months to the end of this thing, you now come in to say this is the big the office we gave to you just to use me for an election. Even if you succeeded in the past, it cannot happen now. So if we are not relevant now, we should not be relevant during elections. We shouldn't be relevant during the elections. We must be relevant now, so that during the elections, based on the relevance, we can act. And I want to say a very big thank you. Let me tell you something. People don't understand why they always come out to say a big thank you to our brothers and sisters around the world. Now, as we speak, this is my office. I have a series of surveys with me here. Even so many uncollected ones that is already out that we await our clients to collect. Even if I'm getting 5,000 naira in any of this job, how will I be hungry? So thank God we've been able to conquer hunger and starvation. But the truth is, the Benin's were so wise when they use the language of Pomesi or when are we yobi. Or Pomesi or when are we yobi. Now, for those who follow suit in the elections, believe me now, it was a risk now. It was a risk. They sent me a text message directly from Mr. Yamuskan. Not be joke. I've showed that text message to the world. Times with that number. Osakweno Kwodi. What do you need for us to gain your support? Name your price. I beat my chest. I was not given a dime from the Obaseki administration. I was not given a dime for the election. Till now, I don't get dime when I collect for anyway. No. But many people don't know, say, when they do all these things, they go based on loyalty. And I cannot tell you that if a governor can openly say, they are depriving me, oh God, we will not accept this, and we ought to say, no, we will not accept that deprivation. You also know that me set na human being, me still get right to say, oh, I have been deprived, make my own still be issue. It is the truth. So let's state it clear. As far as we are concerned, I remain with the governor, but at least make those of us, make people will still be relevant. Now book we don't know, now school I don't go. Now what did government, what did many of those go where they what did they fit do pass us? More ask ourselves now, what did they fit do pass? As I am here, I boast about that. I can lecture some of them in school. I'll be their lecturer, I'll put them for table, I'll teach them. Then I'll sit there and say, ask any question. Or let me tell you, if anybody tell me if he man any of this land department more than me in those states. Sorry, there are people who are not even government that's even more better than me. But I'm only concentrating on those who are not claiming moving from one place to another. Some women, some guests when they even get no alpha. Half street matter be for the election. All of them they go there. They say stay here. I cannot tolerate such. That is why I know they come. I know they come where they because like me, I get out temper well. So I know if he come there, I'm going to see that it will cause problem. The SSG decided to rest those state government know me too well. I was sitting when somebody tell them, I tell you they say, was this not the man that was attacking the governor before we started to support the government? I told him President, I said, shut up. I mean, they look me like people that they think SSG was there. I said, shut up. Not for let me do that one, bro. So I don't go to people's house. I go there. That is why it is difficult for you to see me say, I carry one huge amount of money. Go and say, hey, minute, or they see me for one place. I don't even have rich friends. If not because of my job, I don't live in Ikoba Hill. Now Ikoba Hill a day. We'll be on your way for this place. All our people, some they try economically, some they try physically outside the economy, But whichever way, we don't associate with people based on economy. We associate with people based on personal relationship. Excuse me. Please, I'm on live. I'm on live. Please call me back. Yes, sir. Based on personal relationship, and I'm glad to be associated with my people in our territory. I say they talk about the same mouth. Many people dey government, we will dey government together. They will tell you, you no fit remove me from Ikpobayi politics. Come word 1, 2, 3, 4. You no fit. If I'm bragging for just watching me from Ikpobayi, go and write and say you are a liar. Who know you for Ikpobayi? Go and write. Counter me. If 3 people, if 6 people's number phone go ring for Ikpobayi for any political issue, my own go ring. Even to the extent that our brothers and sisters in Edo Diaspora Connect, you know those people, huh? You know effort. So when they call result, many not fit sleep. I go there say, man, we were there on ground. Now they tell us, say, here one me why now, here one now, when you could return for the call result. Now one woman from abroad, now call me for phone, say, what's happening? You guys should be at the end there. Hell, women, we never play politics one. All of them want face, they want that. Hell, I want my kind of hell. Then now, after all this battle, I am not saying they should come and pack everything and give it to us. No. But at least recognition is important. It's important. That is the simple truth. It's very, 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 very important. So I want it to be clear to the entire world. I remain with His Excellency. But Your Excellency, sir, we serve na human being. We serve their country. I could recall the last meeting we had together before the election. That was a few days before the election, sir. After the election, there is nothing bad if you call us. Hello, come. Thank God we've won. Even there was a summit organized on social media, whether on that LAPTEN group. Include so many adult women and men aired their opinion, and they talked about the likes of Osakunokodi, the likes of Abatobaze, the likes of Apostle Afremi Inosa, and this other one that derailed just recently, that started insulting those bigger than him. I don't want to mention his name because of his personal actions. Many more. Abba, if it did, I see, there's nothing bad. Hello, not see, we not by the power of God Almighty, we not be lazy people. If we are given opportunity, we will come and show results. We will come and show results. So during the fight, we are important. After the fight, we needed recommendation. Must I come first come meet say I dey be and never. I will not even ask anybody to say they never say give us. How they look? How they look? But the truth must be said. You cannot expect me to be jumping here and there. If I continue like that, let me say, man, I don't know myself with that. If not be 1 or 2, all this one where they attack the government here and there, they bring out different it's to counter the issue. But we remain mute. If there are some persons you believe are very important, let's see their ability to deliver. Let's see their ability to deliver. I don't never make posts. They don't use insult finish me. You the man, somebody. Now you know, sir, you're a man. Somebody, is this what you are celebrating? Even as some of our brothers and sisters around the world will support us, will support through me. They are even disappointed in me. Now, as we speak, with a shame, we don't have brief face come out. Have you noticed embarrassment is associated to this? Mami Anna, you see that they shout, you see them. We are apparently becoming an object of ridicule. So the best option is for me to go and hide. It's not as if I don't have what to say, but just say, let me remain mute and remain calm. I'm ashamed now. If they're not telling you that way for the watch me, you don't know say I'm ashamed. I'm ashamed. I am ashamed. That is why today, I have said it before, I join one of those who don't benefit from a Edo. Anybody want to do a job? Come go and do this one. If not for that, my dear brother, boom, I for finish. And God come do am, me sef no lazy. I dey follow up on my own. I dey follow up on my own. I want to say a very big thank you, and I want to quickly call on our brothers and sisters in the Diaspora Connect worldwide to as well remain calm. We knew all the plans. We knew all the plans. In fact, we were one of the top support group in Edo State. Obaseki support group in Edo State. In fact, if not the, but now the highest, it was the highest. Even the government have not flagged up. He never even decided the party where we want to go. We don't knock rally for everywhere. The videos are there. But everybody was aware of this. We not be Facebook general when it comes to mobilization. And we not be person we like proud. So when they say, hey. But we know if you say you need 1,500 persons by tomorrow morning, call me by 12 midnight today. By tomorrow 10 o'clock, our assembly will work with 1,500 persons. No talk of you give me 10 days interval to arrange. And mobilization is what is mobilization? When you can move with different people, nobody that is not my friend, I can associate. I dey run things for street. Nobody when I not get who I pass. When you're saying that they was going to do that because if one not reach, let's shift. When everybody knows that it belongs to them, now like this you go do the run for you. People they come election ground say they get on that kind of way they want photo. As they see we, they'll ask say we sound that day was saying that this side they'll go photo with we talk. So I want to state this clearly. For those who are jumping here and there now, be focused. Because people like we may not get joy totally like that. But we still remain calm. And still remain peaceful. I want to state this clearly. I love the person of the governor. The governor cannot be everywhere. It is the truth. He needed to remember, but there are so many things on his head. Those who remember should remind him, Your Excellency, call those your boys. Make all of us in that book talk. It's not a right for us to support. It is a privilege. So you don't be saying, man, anytime you're calling them, no. When we see, let me tell you, there are some persons safe. They don't need anything. Now maybe they just agree to thank you for you. Finish, they're okay. But let's have room for communication. See, we still follow step. If those when we still know say the game ready, bros will change what they play. The right thing must be done. But we don't even want to make a label us bad person. So we don't tell now, if the American is not a culture and the we are the cheat. Not be say we don't know how to fight battle. We know. We know how to fight ourselves. But we just choose to remain calm. Then they don't say, no, see, you not see me. So, Naim cannot be relevant in battle and be relevant in the formation. When I am qualified, a competent aficionado in my profession, Abba, but we're going to check on now. Yes, let me respond to some of our beautiful comments in our comment section, because discussion is all about feedback. First, with the comment section so far, it's so numerous. Thank you very much, my brother. Kolesimudia, thank you very much. Now let me give you history. You see a comment here from Stanley OJ. This was the first name I knew him to put on Facebook. If you want me to screenshot some of our old charts, I can show it to you. Okumbo from Australia. And many. Every day, this Stanley OJ must come to my inbox. What's your problem? How can you be? You are supposed to support Obaseki. See, you are supposed to not be slow. And even if you do something in the past, here's a new one. And don't beg. So every day, no time when this man only come. Stanley OJ pressured me. Because that time I did say, I nearly die. I go say nothing. Stanley OJ pressured me with our brother Okumbo in Australia. Okay, see many. They pressured me, and I looked at it. Why fighting for your stomach at the detriment of the interest of the people? Because I'm going to go and wake up, go and walk, go and join. As I joined, they know now. They all celebrated now. They were happy now because we changed the narrative by the power of God. God make us to be destined as a game changer. You can't change that from us. In our inborn, even if I don't want to do away. Agboya when we know so go now. Oh go want it you. Agboya when we know so go now. Oh go want it. Excuse me. Hello, Kolo. How far? And the answer no come on. No, come in later. Agboya when we know so go now. Oh go want it you. Agboya when we know so go now. Oh go want it. We know what they talk now. Now God do another one power. So you not go expect our consciously jump come after them. Are you aware that there are so many persons who is thinking that as soon as they give us money, now government money with the no level. I am telling you this today. Don't ever say you see they see us at money. Now even government no level. I want you to know today. So don't if you see me spend cover, I also want. And not there. For them saying I ain't gonna give me no one cover. Get it clear. Anything you see from my hand, that is where, as we did so, when money reach one, we use that with sense. Because if you finish, we don't know how to replace that tomorrow. So when it come, we'll quickly channel them to investment. When we invest them, it will later return. You can't get return on investment. So I want this message to get to all of us. So the truth of the matter is very simple. I have stated this clearly, and this is the pure message. His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki. Your good work, you can continue it, but let me tell you something, sir. Let nobody deceive you, sir. Those big belle people, when they say they leave down, what did they fit do for election? When all of them they reserve, they come on for government. We stood firmly. We did on ground. They don't give me one police or one army say they follow one in case of any attack. But we all through a night of the election, they find me for every day. To the extent, My best friend don't know the hotel when I sleep. He only see me for pulling units when they break. I have to go home, brush, arrange before running back to field. If you see me that time, go and check my blood, come be like bone. Because we don't want to hear say we lose. Now, my brother Stanley Oche said I should talk about PDP crisis in Edo State. For me, if you understand me very well, I would not want to dabble into that area. I have my reasons. I would not want to dabble into it. Let them all do, because as we speak, both who benefit well. I will not benefit none of the facts. None of the facts. So if they want to fight that fight, may they go call their children. Me not tired to fight. May their children still come out. If their children start, I will follow them. I had a meeting with one politician who has the intent to run for the position of the governor in 2024. I told him point blank. I said, there is no politician in this state that can come in to say, because I'm going to hold this Stabina first. Never born. Me hold Stabina for a politician, Chris. Not talking of Ogun. Me, I can't do it. I can't do it. So, if you want a dirty battle, if your son can be in your room, Osakono Kwoti, mother son, should as well be in this room. Not be able to not come and say, not be let me know. What are you winner? So I don't want to discuss about PDP crisis. Whoever I name, fine. But to me, these are my reasons. So get it clearly. Stand with the Excellency and with the governor of Edo State. That's just the simple truth. But the governor should know that we have feelings as well. We are his boys. Call us 1 year from you, sir. That's the truth. Let me say, people they do us no. Then they do me no better one. And it's shame sometimes. I don't know if you talk now. They do us no. See then I say, you call it shame. We should not be made an object of ridicule. It's the truth. Many always said, nothing. If even the same million would do anything, apart from Ogakari ticket go, it's enough. Do you know what? See, as we speak, I want to ask a question, and I believe the government will follow this page today. If my Ogakari ticket go motivated you to support Obaseki in this election, type yes. If Ogakari ticket go, that the song I sang that very day motivated you to remain firm, type yes. I'm waiting. If that song motivated you to remain firm, type yes. I'm waiting. Type your yes. You can imagine. To my sister, Auntie Michelle Elizoge Ugbebo Kundayi, member Diaspora Connect, Constance Usayawe, member Diaspora Connect, Victor Obano, my brother, thank you very much. I want to say a very big thank you to all of you. I want to say thank you to all the people around the world. As we speak, if not because of the collaborative support of you guys here, forget. Now these people say, now this one always they give us support, then they comot shame. Wait till they cause shame now. They cause shame. Diaspora Connect when we even dey why be coordinator general since they never talk. Wetin I wan talk? I promise them heaven and earth. Don't worry, we know the way it's going to be. That's why Connect no one day tell say make governor come give the kobo. They're not called for kobo. All they ever wanted is let Edo become great, and those who stood for us, who worked on behalf of us, should be made to represent us in government. Our figure show now the Sienna wey the best till date. Till date, I don't know about am. Till date, I don't know about that vehicle. Till date, that vehicle it remains an unregistered vehicle. Till date, I refuse to number it. It's still an unregistered vehicle. Since when we buy am. I have my reasons. Till date, I can go and show you now. It's here, packed in my company. Till date. So I want to say a very big thank you. This is my point today, and I want you all to know I remain firm with the government. Yes, but I'm just only taking the back seat till when it is obvious that we deserve to be recognized. I have never told any of those people in the past, say, I no need position. I never tell any Edo person like that. Say, I come out of media, I come by the pretend, say, oh, what I did is just to make sure that everything is okay. I did not fight for myself. No, I have not said that. We want the best for Edo State, and I have said this, that if I'm given the opportunity to serve, I will serve. Is it qualification? Okay, let's say there are reasons. What are the reasons? Is it qualification? Come in the next 30 minutes. I'll bring you my certificate. I will give you my NYC certificate. I'll give you my KN number. Go to Kano State and confirm it. Go to Abuja and confirm it. My NYC certificate, carry KN number. I discharged from the NYC in 2012. I have other academic certificates. So which certificate? If it is that, I am qualified. Okay, let's say the certificate is not enough. What about human relations skill? Physical intellectual capacity? Don't I have it? Why am I being deprived? I want to state this clearly. All our actions in Edo Diaspora Connect was sponsored 100% by those in the diaspora. No single one kobo came from government. 100% sponsored by Edo Diaspora Connect. So I want to say this. We all have emotions. We be human beings too. I be the para. Me the para. By us, say make a local. The only reason why all these things they fit play now because even we work, we are not united. We are not united. When they know say me and you they fight, me and the next one they fight, this one they fight, that one, this one they fight. It's an opportunity for them to take an advantage. It is an opportunity for them to take an advantage because they know how you want to get the synergy to start to say no, we don't want it. As it is now. As it is now. They know no. They know no. They know. So please and please, the right thing should be done at the right time. I must not get one old man in the name of Godfather before they'll say, okay, he deserves. No. I deserve it now. So to those in the diaspora, and to members of Edo Diaspora Connect Inquiry. Keep calm. Keep supporting His Excellence. I know at the end of the day there will be light at the end of the tunnel. But the truth is, we should be able to speak out where necessary. Because Edo belongs to us all. No individual gets up. Why even the part of the mall? Now those one they call it people Shillingi, wait, some way come from Lagos. They're going to tell us something of Benin. When you don't even know how we take one. One after the other, would open those individuals fire one after the other. But not now. Let us just keep mood and begin to follow the activities in a sequence of steps. I made a parable. I tell you, remember the song again. I'm running up by playing this song for you. Thank you. In case His Excellency don't know, I know say you. Everybody in government knows. Now me originate this song for your campaign. Now me tell you say, no ever wear tie again. When we wear polo waist and throughout the campaign, you don't wear tie. Okay, you still remember those things.
We don't go for every other person. We don't go for if we not be PDP. We don't go for every other party. We don't go for. Okay, make you carry your ticket go.
Remember?
Okay, I said carry your ticket go. Everywhere got me there and I tell you they go. Anywhere side we go, I tell you they go. Okay, make you carry your ticket go.
I see them live. Shall I give me some
carry your ticket go.
I see them live. Don't give me some minutes.
Anywhere side we go, I tell you they go. Okay, make you carry your ticket go. Okay, make you carry your ticket go. Anywhere got me there and I tell you they go.
Now, so it be. So, thank you very much, Amusapuna Podi. I just want to be brief. Why I keep observing, but get it clear. All of us now just the same. Now, the same will be. Not let anybody deceive you, saying, and so we get anyway. No, not here. We will do anything from back. Apart from our various individual business and investments, nothing. And the truth is, government cannot pass the money of government and give it to us. That is the fact. But where job is needed to be done, in respect to qualification and competency, political appointment, we reserve the right to get it. And I think the Excellency should look into this, and the Excellency should create room for a meeting. Let us discuss. Thank you very much, and bye for now. One after the other, we'll open those individuals.
Abeg, help us share this video. If you get anything to add join wetin Comrade Stanley Osaze don talk today for this video, you fit put your own for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for dey hear all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.